As we move into 2026, this year represents a significant milestone for Dortech Architectural Systems Limited. Established in 1993, we've had over 33 years of trading under our belts, and at this stage, it's good to look at where we've come from, what we've achieved, and what the future looks like. Over the last 3 decades, we've delivered over £183 million worth of architectural glazing projects across the UK. This isn't just a number, it represents consistency, quality, adherence to health and safety, and getting projects delivered right first time, on time, every time. During this time, we've successfully delivered over £60 million worth of glazing in schools and academies, £30 million worth of architectural glazing in other education-related sectors, £48 million worth of glazing in leisure centres, over £30 million worth of architectural glazing in the commercial sector, and £20 million worth of glazing in retail environments as well. This huge breadth of experience over the last 33 years working in a variety of different sectors has given us the technical competence and experience to work on technically complex and challenging sites. We consistently work with top-tier main contractors where quality, delivery, and health and safety are of the utmost importance. Over the years, our performance has been recognised with multiple awards for health and safety, quality, and management. These rewards don't just reflect outcomes, they reflect how we work. We're proud to hold industry-leading accreditation including CHAS, Constructionline Gold, SafeContractor and higher risk building certification in accordance with the Building Safety Act. These accreditations aren't just badges, they're standards that we work to every single day. As we enter 2026, the year ahead, our focus is going to be on developing and focusing on our customer requirements, delivering projects right first time, on time, every time, and focusing on improving quality and health and safety wherever we can. We're proud of our history, but we're more focused on what happens next. Dortech Architectural Systems, 33 years of trading, £183 million worth of architectural glazing delivered, and a clear, ambitious future ahead.